comes to PA-style products, many companies simply use off-the-shelf parts and slap their name on it. But here at DD Audio, that's not really our style. With custom CNC machined bodies, the VO Series B3 and B4 tweeters are designed to be the best sounding, easiest mounting, and highest output tweeters on the market. Compared to similarly styled tweeters, the B3 and B4 feature wider angled horn bodies, resulting in a wider field of sound in a closer proximity to the tweeter, and a shorter body with dual mounting options allowing for easier mounting in door panels and motorcycle fairings. Featuring neodymium motors and titanium diaphragms, the B3 and B4 are a sure-shot solution for any system that needs reliable high output while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Find a DD Audio dealer near you by heading over to ddaudio.com/dealers.